Using rubrics in Google Classroom? You bet. So I'll start by going to Classwork, click on Create, because we need to make an assignment in order to be able to use a rubric. We're going to put in the title of the assignment, the instructions of the assignment, all the parts that we want for this assignment, and then we're going to add the rubric. So down here by rubric, we're going to click it, and we can either create, reuse, or import a rubric. So we are going to create a rubric first. And you'll see here that you need to list all of your different criteria. So you're going to have your rubric already in your mind, ready to go. Or you can reuse a rubric that you've already used. If you've already done that, at some point you can actually find that rubric and select it, and it will be added to the assignment. Or you can actually go in and add a rubric from a Google Sheet. So if you've created a rubric within Google Sheets like Excel, you can add that as well. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google Classroom.